Hey guys, so I was about to go out and film the point of view for the 325i. Excuse all my messy shit around me. I'm pretty sick. But somebody left me a very good piece of artistic advice on my video, so I thought, well, maybe there's something to explore in this. So this is what he left. It made me a little bit mad at first, but I had to kind of look within myself and understand that what he was saying, there's a point to it, So I'll just show you what he said here. Let me just flip the camera around. The hell? Can I even? No, this isn't Snapchat. Well, anyways, he said. You guys probably can't see this for shit. It said, "Clean your seat before doing a video." I don't know if you guys can see that, and it made me really sad because you don't know what's going on in people's lives. Like, you don't know why my seat might be dirty. Like, there could be a lot going on. It's been -40. I don't want to go outside and clean, and that's -40 Celsius. But then I just realized now that -40 Fahrenheit and Celsius are the same temperature. But anyways, you know what? I thought I would go out and just clean the seats. Now, as you guys can see, I'm actually outside right now, and can't open the door. And so I actually have my Dyson here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and extend this nasty ass seat, because you know what, he was right. It's pretty gross, right? Like, nobody wants to look at that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just get a little bit around there, clean it up a little bit on the inside. Just, it's not perfect, but it's a little bit better. Now I'm just gonna go around on the other side. I'm just gonna open this here a little bit. I'm just gonna extend this. Oh, it's not that bad on this side, but you know what? I'm just gonna get it anyway. Okay, and that's that. Hey guys, thanks for watching my tutorial on how to clean your car seats. I hope you enjoyed that. Big shout out to Luis Chaves for giving me the idea for this video. I think I feel a little bit lighter now. There was just this weight on my shoulders, and I don't know how else to describe it. Just this darkness I could feel in my heart, and I'm just happy. I'm thankful that I have you guys to help me get through these things. So thanks.